Once you have created your assessment content, you'll be asked to schedule your assessment. So you can get to the scheduling page either from the assessment setup page and selecting schedule. The other option is to use the navigational sidebar to select to schedule assessment from here. Also, if you are on the question page at the very bottom, you will see once you've entered in all of your content that you'll be able to schedule your assessment by selecting this button here. So there are a variety of ways that you can get to the schedule page. So within the schedule page is all of your timing information. You'll set your start and due date at the top. If you'd like to include a time limit, that you do here. And this is also where the lateness penalty will live as well. So to schedule the assessment, you have options. You can either schedule distribution for a time in the future by using these little drop-down icons here. So you'll select your start date and your distribution date. So this is really helpful if at the beginning of the term you have all of your assessments set up and ready to go. You can set this so that the assessments will go out at the time that you wish. If you are happy with scheduling it for this time in the future, you would select schedule distribution here, and you'll see this message that the assessment will be set out on this date and time. If you ever want to come in and change that, you select edit schedule here. You can change the date and time from here to reschedule. And if you would like to override this and schedule the distribution for now, you select edit schedule, unschedule the assessment, and you'll see that this information has been cleared at the bottom here, and we'll select distribute now. This is giving us a warning that we need to make sure that we set a due date and time, and the default distribution time is set for the current time. And then you would select to distribute now if that was what you wished to do. If you want to include a time limit, you select the toggle here. There's a default of 60 minutes, but if you click on that, you have other options here and also a custom time limit. The lateness penalty, turn the toggle on here, select the 10% per day to change that up. Use the sliding scale here to determine the penalty amount and choose whether this is by minute, hour, or day. And select save. At the bottom, it's giving you a reminder to actually schedule the assessment, so you come back up here and select distribute now to distribute the assessment to students.